let's talk about Penn Gaming here.
Oh yeah, I got my.
So I'm in a group chat with a bunch of my boys. Mason's in this group chat, and he's probably going to go update the guys on Penn Gaming. Yep, he just said, "Oh God," in the group chat. Guys, there's a guy named David Portnoy. Here. He is Team Portnoy. I have his gear. He's a Michigan man. I love him. He's hilarious. He became Davey Day Trader, and he's very sarcastic. He says he's better than Warren Buffett. The guys in this group, Kyle especially, bought the stock just because David Portnoy is involved. The stock went from like $7 a share, which by the way, Kyle bought it like 30, but what is that now, 90 something? 81. Ooh.
Yeah, it was upwards of
$136
$136 down to 82. So these crashes can happen. This is interesting, Paul. Keep going.
Guys, don't buy a company just because somebody who's very funny is involved with it. I love David Portnoy. I think he's great. I think he's brilliant. I want to be the David Portnoy of the value investing world. He's awesome. He calls people out. He's worth hundreds of millions of dollars. He's fabulous. So let's go over it. But let's just cover the stock right now. $12.6 billion market cap. PE, 426. It's slightly an X. And a profit margin of 0.79, also an X.
Did you say PE?
Yes, I did say. You heard me correctly. 426 is your PE.
That's an X.
Now, Penn Gaming is the kind of company I think should buy Dynasty Owner from us, Tim.
I agree.
They should be buying Dynasty Owner from us at some point.
Go to dynastyowner.com if you're interested in fantasy football. The season is getting going, Tim. The drafts is going. You can form a team now, dynastyowner.com. And as always, we say don't go to Webull and Robinhood like everyone else. They totally suck. Keep going, Paul.
All right, revenue. $3.2 billion to $3.74. Check mark there. Now, they own casinos, so I'm sure that didn't help them last year. I can't believe they still made money last year, though. $90 million versus $30 million. Check mark there.
Profit is up too, huh?
Profit's up.
Pillar
No, it's not. I'm sorry, X. I'm an idiot. It's an X there, guys. Shares outstanding. Ooh, look at this, guys. 90 million shares to 155 million shares. That's also an X.
My Lord.
Boy, look at how stupid Paul is.
That's a lot of shares.
That's a 66% increase in your shares outstanding. Look at Quinn over there awkwardly saying, whose side am I on here?
Current assets over current liabilities is pillar number 6.
2.35 billion versus 947. Check mark there. A lot of regular debt, though. A lot of long-term debt.
How about the free cash flow for Penn Gaming?
All right, free cash flow. Actually, it's better than I thought. 322 to 427 with an average of 311. So, 12 billion divided by 0.31 billion is roughly 40. That's an X.
What's so funny?
I mean, it's just ludicrous. These guys buy this company for no reason whatsoever, and it's just going to be hard, guys. Even if they make their best year was $500 million in profit, it's still 20 times 20 PE. Wait, what's so funny?
That was their best year.
Yeah, it's absolutely.
That's funny.
It's just, listen, I love David Portnoy. I'm not buying this stock anytime soon. And by the way, for everybody who thinks it's going to the moon, it was $136 just months ago. When was that?
That was
March.
It was
March 15th, and
March
now it's
15th.
$81. So if it's going to the moon, if it's all about the comedy, if it's all about the content, why doesn't it just keep going up?
And the Buzz ETF hasn't surpassed its opening day high. Still to this point.
That's okay. All right, so
Mo, is anyone trading this stock? What's going on? Oh, look at that. I can tell you right now.
it's-
Look at this. It's way underneath the lower stochastic
Yeah,
here.
I mean, here's your support level, and it kind of broke through that today. It's up right now, but it kind of broke through that today. And your next support level is down here at just about $50. So the good thing that they have going for them, it's in that oversold area, and it's up on a day like today. The bad news is it's Penn Gaming, and they're not very good at making money and doing things outside of marketing and this and that. So there is a lot of room for this thing to fall. So guys, if you get these engulfing candlesticks to the downside and this thing starts going sideways on its stochastic down here, you could short this thing like crazy. This is interesting. A lot of room to fall.
That's our take on Penn Gaming.
Thanks so much for watching the video. We hope you were intrigued. If this style of investing speaks to you, click the link below to join our Patreon. As a patron, you get access to a wonderful community of like-minded investors where you can chat, connect, ask questions, and share ideas with badasses like you all over the world. The best part is you get the amazing Everything Money software. This is revolutionary, unlike any YouTube page. You can track your investments, look at stocks, and quickly run our 8-pillar analysis on any company you like. The top tier patrons get direct access to Paul and Trader Mo. You'll see their daily trades, their updated portfolios, and every options contract they write on a daily basis. We provide Patreon exclusive videos just for you, including live streams and exclusive content from our team. Our bottom patron tiers fill fast, so join today. But hey, if you don't believe me, look at all of our patrons' amazing success stories. In comparison to other financial platforms, our software is by far the best value. This is your chance to get serious about investing. If you're finally ready to level up your investing game, join our Patreon and let's start kicking ass together.